Hey everyone, I've got another project I gotta get done this spring, possibly all the way until fall, and it is to clear up all the brush back here. This is at the back of our yard. So when we moved in here, that was almost 3 years ago, I was slowly making headway into the back here. It was completely overgrown with tons of crap, and there's this, I think it's called lamia, planted everywhere, and it is the most annoying invasive plant I've ever dealt with. You can see maybe that it goes all the way up the hills there. Anyway, this whole back area was covered in that, plus other brush. So I spent a lot of time clearing that all out, and then one night, this tree fell down in a thunderstorm and made a huge mess. And then we cut down this walnut. It's kind of right in the middle in the way here. I just haven't got around to chopping that up yet, because then this tree fell down. So it's like one step forward, 30 steps back. I'm gonna get out the chainsaw and continue working away at this. I'd like to get all this area cleared out all the way to back up there. You can see some other trees have fallen down because this gets a lot of sun. So I wanna do orchard and some gardens, and then maybe up along this slope I can do rows of grapes, have a little vineyard. But there is a hell of a lot of stuff to clear out. Let's get to it, I guess. Everything's fucked. I'm gonna get it under control again. Ooh, I feel like I'm vibrating. So I broke 2 blades. Ooh, broke 2 blades. Got a little section done. My hands need a rest though. That fucking hurts. All right, I replaced the trimmer blades with string, and I'm gonna get eaten alive. out of gas too. Cool. It's been a while, but as you can see, I got the push mower back in here and mowed as much as I could, and that was quite a while ago, and it seems pretty dead. So now we're finally gonna drag that tree out. It's been like 3 years. Booyah, finally cut. So now I just gotta get the tractor once Jordan's done mowing the lawn, and I can chain it up and drag it out of here. So the plan with this guy, it's black walnut, so we're gonna get a portable mill guy to come out and mill it into an 8x8 beam, and then we'll be putting that in the house. And I noticed while I was back there, there was another one that's even bigger that I want to drag out and use for the same thing. I'm always like a little bit nervous using the chainsaw, which is probably a good thing. Anyway. Oh, frog! Oh, that's like a tree frog. So exciting. Now I'll be able to get in there and drag more trees and shit out and get it all mowed and kill all this stupid yellow archangel or whatever it's called. And then I'm gonna show you, hold on. The people that lived here before us, I think this was their like compost area. You can see there's this like boxed out area. Those are railroad ties. I gotta rip all that stupid shit off of them. But the soil here is like very nice. I want to clear this out and make it a nursery for young plants when I'm doing cuttings and such. But yeah, the whole idea is to clear out this whole bowl and plant it with what I want. And unfortunately, all of our beech trees are getting sick and dying off, so this used to be full green. You couldn't see the sky through it. And that was 4 years ago when we moved here, and each year like 2 or 3 trees are dying and dropping. So we'll see what we can do about that. We got the big guns. here's where the log ended up. So we still have, you know, a way to get into our shed, although I gotta pull all that shit out. I put a couple branches and I'm gonna drag more of these black walnut trees out of the forest and lay them on there to help, you know, keep them dry-ish. I'm hoping to get like 2 or 3 total, and then we'll get a sawmill guy out here to strip them down, and then we can install them. So now I have this whole area with free access again, and it hasn't been like that for 3 years. So you watch. Now this is the second time well, I'm almost there, but cleaned this area up, and last time, as soon as I had the area cleaned up, tree fell. We've got this massive black walnut there that's dead, gonna fall anytime, and then also this one. I bet they fall like, you know, as soon as I get this pile of wood cleaned up, I'm gonna push all that shit back so we have full access with the tractor. And then under all this shit is a fallen beech tree. You can kind of see. I'm gonna have a little break, and then I'm gonna push all that shit out of here. That is so much better.